Hello students. Now many students have asked for some output questions. So if you practice daily some output questions, then it will be easy for you to solve. So let us practice today's output question. Now these are some string related question. Now question number 1 you can see here. String is hello and you have to print the string from beginning. In this is the start, nothing is given, means from the beginning, and 2 means it will stop before 2, that is 1, 0 and 1. So the output will be H and E. So we have already seen how it is done. Suppose this one, this 10th one, this is your string, and forward indexing is this green portion. So forward indexing starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till the length, and reverse indexing is from -1, -2, -3 till minus length of the string. So here if you want to access any element, what we are doing, we are using the index position, either forward or reverse. Suppose I want to print only P, then suppose the name of the string is S. So S equals to, it is the name of the string, S is the name. I will simply undo it because equals to it is taking a formula, so with single quotes I have to write here. Yes. Now S equals to this, so this is your string pre@board 2021. Now forward indexing, first alphabet is stored at 0 index position and so on, and reverse indexing, the last one is stored at -1 index position and so on. Now, if you want to access only P, we are writing S of 0, that is S in square bracket 0. If you want to display only R, then we are writing S of 1, that is S in square bracket 1. And if you want to access both, then we can use either slicing or multiple indexing. So, slicing will be from start to end plus 1, that is PR. If you want to display, it will be from 0 to 2. So 0 colon 2 you have to write in colon. So here you can see in square bracket it is written here only colon 2. Colon 2 means from 0 it is starting and 1. So first two characters, so H and E it will print. You can check your answer here. So I am simply checking the answer here. So I will just take it from here and I will run the output. Now when you are running the output, you can see here string is hello, and okay, once again, since it was idle till now, that's why maybe it is not getting executed. So I am showing it once again. Now here, file, new notebook. Sometimes this Jupyter is creating problem. So I am opening Jupyter once again, and then I am showing you the output. So I am just simply pasting it here and then getting executed. So here you can see HE is printed. Clear? So the output of this string colon 2, that is 0 and 1, that is H and E, will be printed. Now the next question is again output. So here string is hello and the variable rest is empty quotes, nothing is there. For I in range len of string, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 will be there. So 0 to 4, hello, 1 character will be taken. And res equals to res plus string of 5. So each character will be given to res. When it is printed, it will print hello. So this was very easy. Next is S is hi, S1 is hello. Now S2 is S colon 2, that is first two characters. So hi will be taken. From S1, len of S1 minus 2. Len of S1 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. And colon means still last. So 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3. So from L it will start until last. So LO. So first HI will be the output of this, and plus means concatenation, and this will be LO. So output will be HILO, case sensitive. So whatever is the string, the same thing will be displayed here. So let us check here. Now run your code and check. Yes, HILO, where H is capital. Now next question is, what will be the output? Print BA, NA into 2 means NA will be there. So it will be banana. You can check it. You can do one more thing. You can simply pause and you can first write your own answer, and then you check with these outputs, whatever output is there. So whichever question is being displayed, first you solve yourself and then you check with the answer given here. Now what is the output of the following code? Welcome to Python for csip.com. So this is your string. Now I have taken from this site only all the outputs. So print s.find come. Now where is come? Here 0, 1, 2, 3. So third position, so 3 it will print. Now S of counts of O. How many O are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can see output is 3 and then output is 4. Now next, so you can execute these one and you can see the answer. I am executing it and I am checking the answers also. So this is your output. Now the next one is S is hello. For I in S, so one by one character it will take. Print I and hash. So after each character, hash will be printed. So output will be H hash, E hash. So after each character of this string, you can see here hash is there. Clear? Now the next one is I in Hardik. So one by one character of Hardik it will take. Print I dot upper in new line. Print is given here. So you will see the output will be all capital letter, each character, and it will be new lines. So Hardik vertically it will be printed. You can simply, because this is a page break, so it is showing like this. It will be in continuation. So when you will run it, you will see in continuation Hardik vertically it is printed. Now next is how many times S is there. Let's check here. Now for I in S it is printing welcome. Now how many characters are there in S? 5. So 5 times welcome will be printed vertically in same column it will be printed. So this is here. Now next question is, what is the output of the following? Now the string is Virat, and for I in strings, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it will take, and string dot upper capital letter Virat 5 times it will print, and obviously this will be in the same column. So this will be your output. Here Virat capital, because for I in string means it will take one by one character of the string. So first it will take V, then I, but here instead of I, string is used. So complete Virat in uppercase will be printed. If you change this question and if you write here I, then V capital, below that I capital, then R capital, A capital, T capital. But string is written, that's why string is Virat. So completely full string it will take. Now next is A is hello and B is Virat. Now for I in range len of A 5 times. Now it is printing A character. So if I is 0, first character of A, first character of B. So here HV, next line will be EI, third line will be HR, and then LR, then LA and OT. Clear? So one by one character, this is your index position it is taking, and here from first string the same index position and second string same index position. Very nice questions are given. I just found it in the internet and I am just discussing with you all the questions. Very nicely all the questions are framed. What will be the output of the following program? A is hello and B is Virat. Now here I in range len of A, so 5 times. Now AI upper. So first H capital, B whatever B is given, because B you haven't changed. So it is already given in small letters, so small will be printed. Now second time when the loop will be executed, then E in capital, I in small, then L in capital, R in small. Clear? You can check the output also by executing in your ideally. So you, as in your board exam, you will not get computers to check it. So you have to learn this by understanding this index position. First, this forward indexing, you do it in your copy. You write the string, which is whichever string will be given to you, and then forward indexing you do it, reverse indexing you do it, and then step by step you have to solve this. Next question will be, what will be the output of the following program? Now here the program is print. So this is printing this string count of XYY to 11. Now here counting of XYY from second. Now XYY 0, 1, nothing is given. So it will be 0 only. So this you execute and see it, Control C. I'm just executing it just to show you the output. So here 0 is the output. So it is correct. Now next, hello plus 1. Now string and numeric value. So this will be error. So here error message will be there. Now next will be Python for csip.com is given to you. The outputs are collected, copied, pasted from this site only. Now string 1, then from 1 to before 4 it will stop. So 1, 2 and 3. That is 0, then 1, 2 and 3. So first one will be YTH. Second one will be string 1 colon 5, means from starting it will start, and fourth it will stop. From starting it to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be Python. Clear? So like this all the strings are printed. You can check it. Now the functions of string, capitalize will be, the first letter will be capital and it is printing here. Now hello world, so it is printing here hello world. Now here string, if you multiply it by 3, then 3 times hello 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 will be printed. So in the first case it will print hello world, concatenation plus will add the 2, join the 2, concatenate the 2, and star will repeat itself. So 3 times hello will be printed. Next, output of the following program, count equals to 0. For letter in this, so one by one letter it will take. If letter is L, it will count here. So 1, 2, 3 L are there. So it will write 3 letters found. So 3 letters found is your output. I am also seeing the outputs for the first time, these programs. Now next is, what will be the output of the following program? Here string is this, n is length of string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So n will become 11. From 0 to 10, that is 0 will be the first character, n will be the last character. If s of I is greater than, that means if it is between A to M, then uppercase it will do. If it is between N to Z, then the previous character it will take. And if it is capital letter, then small letter it will do, otherwise hash. So what you will see, that first thing is P. So P will be MNOP. So it is in the second one. So previous character it will take. So previous character means this one it will take. The second one is Y. So Y will be in this range only. So it will take P. In this better is P previous character S of. So let us check this output first, because let us confirm it. Yes. Now since the first one P and before that nothing is given, so it is showing here error. So this output is wrong given here. So because the first letter is P and P is in the range of N to Z, in this range, and it is taking the previous character. So previous to P nothing is there. So that's why it is showing here. But if you write something else here, suppose underscore if I write, then it will not show error, because underscore will be in this and hash will be printed. So let's see here which one is showing here error. Line 7 is showing here error. So elif this indentation error. Oh, sorry. Enter. It is not indented properly. Okay, I am removing this underscore and I am executing it. Yes, so this is correct. This was correct. It is taking the previous character from here. It is taking. All right. So I am removing this. Now, if it is between the range of A to M, it will change it into capital letter. So you check here wherever it is A to M. A to M, like C is in A to M, then I is in A to M, so uppercase. So this two will be uppercase. So here H is in the range A to M. So you can see H is capital letter, C is capital letter, and I is capital letter. Now the next one is N to Z. It will take the previous character. So here this is taking its previous character, and so on. So whichever is your, like Y is in the range of N to Z, it is taking its previous character, and so on. Now if it is uppercase, since no uppercase was there, none will be converted into lowercase. And here if it is neither upper nor in the range of A to Z, then it is converting it into hash. So here you can see this is converted into hash. Clear? Now solve all the other questions I will be sharing with you, and then go through it. Many output questions. So daily we will solve 10 questions. So thank you. Have a nice day.